10 mind-blowing facts that will change the way you see the world. Have you ever wondered how strange and mysterious our world really is? From creatures with multiple hearts, to the silent emptiness of space, and even secrets hidden inside your own body. Today, we're going to explore 10 mind-blowing facts that might completely change the way you see the world. Make sure you watch until the end, because the final fact will reveal just how unbelievably huge our universe really is. Let's begin. Fact number 1. The octopus has 3 hearts. The octopus is one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. But what makes it truly unique is its heart system. An octopus actually has 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed from the water. The 3rd heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. But here's something even stranger. When an octopus swims, the heart responsible for pumping blood through the body actually stops beating temporarily. Because of this, swimming is extremely exhausting for them. That's why octopuses usually prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming. But strange and extreme things aren't only found in the ocean. Some of the most surprising facts exist in the harshest places on Earth. Fact number 2. The hottest place on Earth. One of the hottest places ever recorded on Earth is Death Valley in California. In 1913, temperatures there reached an incredible 56.7 degrees Celsius, or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. At that level of heat, the air feels almost unbearable. Even standing outside for a short time can be dangerous. The ground becomes so hot that it can burn skin within seconds. Yet despite these extreme conditions, certain plants and animals have adapted to survive there. But while deserts are one of the harshest environments on land, the oceans hold creatures that have survived for hundreds of millions of years. Fact number 3. Sharks are older than dinosaurs. When we think about ancient creatures, dinosaurs usually come to mind. But sharks are actually much older. Scientists believe sharks first appeared around 400 million years ago. That means sharks were already swimming in Earth's oceans long before dinosaurs ever walked on land. In fact, sharks survived multiple mass extinction events that wiped out many other species. Their incredible ability to adapt has helped them remain one of the ocean's top predators for millions of years. But perhaps the most powerful and complex system on Earth isn't an ancient animal. It's something inside your own head. Fact number 4. The human brain. The human brain is one of the most complex structures in the known universe. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons. These neurons constantly communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Your brain controls everything you do, from breathing, to moving, to thinking, and remembering. Despite all our technological advances, scientists still don't fully understand the brain's true potential. But sometimes the most surprising facts aren't about powerful brains or ancient animals. Sometimes they're hidden in ordinary things we see every day. Fact number 5. Bananas are slightly radioactive. Yes, it might sound strange, but bananas are actually slightly radioactive. This is because bananas contain a natural element called potassium. One form of potassium is mildly radioactive. However, there's no reason to worry. The amount of radiation in a banana is extremely small.
In fact, you would need to eat millions of bananas at once for it to have any harmful effect. But while small amounts of radiation exist in everyday foods, there is a place where the rules of nature become completely different.
Fact number 6. Space is completely silent. In outer space, there is complete silence. No explosions, no echoes, no sound at all. This happens because sound travels through vibrations in air or other materials, but space is almost completely empty. Without air, sound waves simply cannot travel. So even if a massive explosion happened nearby in space, you wouldn't hear anything. But space isn't the only mysterious place in our universe. Right here on Earth, there is another dark and unexplored world.
Fact number 7. The deep ocean. Scientists estimate that more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That means most of the underwater world is still unknown to us. Deep below the surface, sunlight disappears completely. The water becomes freezing cold and the pressure becomes incredibly strong. Yet despite these harsh conditions, strange and glowing creatures continue to live there. Some of them produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence. But mysteries don't only exist deep in the ocean, they also exist inside your own body. Fact number 8. Your body is constantly renewing itself. Every single day, billions of old cells die and are replaced with new ones. Because of this process, many of the cells in your body today are not the same ones you had several years ago. In fact, most of your body's cells are replaced within 7 to 10 years. This incredible process helps your body heal, grow, and stay healthy. But nature doesn't just create incredible living systems, it also produces some of the most powerful forces on Earth. Fact number 9. Lightning is hotter than the sun. Lightning might last only a fraction of a second, but it is incredibly powerful. A single lightning bolt can reach temperatures of around 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat causes the air around the lightning bolt to expand rapidly. That sudden expansion creates the loud sound we know as thunder. But even something as powerful as lightning becomes small when we look beyond our planet. Fact number 10. The universe is enormous. When we look up at the night sky, we see thousands of stars. But that's only a tiny fraction of what actually exists. Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. Each one of those stars could have planets orbiting around it, and some of those planets might even contain life. When we realize just how massive the universe truly is, it reminds us that there are still countless mysteries waiting to be discovered.
Our world and our universe are filled with incredible secrets, and this was just a small glimpse into the deep fact vault. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, make sure to subscribe to Deep Fact Vault for more amazing discoveries. And tell us in the comments which fact surprised you the most.